Alveganic. Your health, our joy.
Hello, welcome. In this video I will be showing you how to grow long thickened hair with coconut oil and aloe vera oil mix. Learn how to get smooth and shiny hair. Before we begin, please subscribe and turn on the notification button so you get notified whenever we upload new video. The ingredients we're going to need for this purpose includes 2 aloe vera leaves, Begin by cutting the aloe vera leaves into chunks. Now, transfer the aloe vera chunks into a bowl and add 150 milliliters of coconut oil into the glass bowl. Add 110 milliliters of extra virgin coconut oil into the glass bowl. Now, transfer the whole mixture from the bowl into a non-stained frying pan. Cook this on a low flame for 20 minutes. And remember to stir continuously. After 20 minutes of continuous cooking and stirring, now turn off the fire source. Allow this mixture to cool down and filter the oil for faster hair growth into a glass bowl. After you transfer this oil into the glass bowl, it is key to transfer it again into an airtight container if you want the oil to have longer shelf life. pour a teaspoon of this aloe vera hair oil into a bowl and add 1 teaspoon of honey to it. Again, add 1 vitamin E oil into the mixture for extra hair shine and faster hair growth. After adding all these ingredients together carefully, stir and mix it well. To use for fast and thicken hair growth, dip a piece of cotton into it and gently massage your hair and scalp with it. Leave it on for 24 hours, or shampoo and wash with cold water. Repeat this process for 30 days, and you will be amazed by the results. Store what will be left in an airtight container at room temperature. Thanks a lot for watching. Kindly remember to hit on the subscribe button, like and share with others. We appreciate your time spent. All your comments are welcome.